Whether it's used for work, play, or helping a friend move their sofa, your truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a big part of your life, but even the toughest trucks can take a beating. From heavy tools and machinery to stone pavers and lumber, your truck bed is exposed to dents, dings, and scratches of all shapes and sizes. That's why you need WeatherTech's ImpactLiner, the most durable truck bed liner on the market. Let's take a closer look. ImpactLiner is made of a heavy injection molded material that's rugged enough to stand up to nearly any impact from hauling, dropping, storing, or dragging your gear. It's custom fit to your make and model, so it hugs the contours of your truck bed's ridges, dips, and wheel wells. The underside features raised impact rings, which help ImpactLiner disperse the force of blows, protecting your investment. These rings also elevate ImpactLiner so air circulates beneath it, allowing water to escape. A textured ribbing on the top side provides extra grip, so when you hit the brakes, your cargo stays in place. No more scrapes and gashes. Raised walls on the back and sides of ImpactLiner offer further protection and help contain any messes. Unlike other truck bed liners that cost time and money to have installed, ImpactLiner ships right to your door and is easy to install. It's heavy enough to stay in position for the long haul. For extra security, our patented tech-hold ball and socket devices offer extra anchoring, adhering to your truck's cab through 2 trimmable rings. ImpactLiner is UV stable, so sun and other elements will have a minimal effect on the quality and color over time. The material won't attract or absorb dust or dirt like other bed liners, so it's easier to maintain. Plus, it's scratch resistant to help keep your truck bed looking like new. Available in black, ImpactLiner is proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA by WeatherTech. So don't wait for your truck bed to get damaged. Protect it with WeatherTech's ImpactLiner.